Hi and welcome to the video training of Node.js. In today's video training we will be creating a cron parser using Node.js. We will create a small Node.js app using a cron parser module. We will create couple of examples to demonstrate the use of cron parser module. First of all, we need to install it in our project. So let's go to the console and let's create a project directory. Let's call it cron parser. Let's set the permissions. Cron parser. Let's go into our project directory. First of all, initialize the project with npm init. It will create a package.json file. Now we are ready to install module in our project, which is cron parser. Okay, it's installed. Now let's create a file. Let's call it cron.js, and we are going to start with a simple expression example. First of all, create a parser object by requiring the cron parser module, and now we are going to use a try catch block. So .log error .message. Okay, let's define an interval, just parser dot parse expression, and within the parse expression we are going to pass a string which is a cron timer on which we want to run our cron, and we want to parse it into a human readable format. So we are going to console.log and date colon interval.next .to string, and let's copy this, save the file, and now we are going to run it. Okay, this one, the first two ones are next ones and the last one is previous. Okay, save the file. Now let's go to console and run our code. Let's clear the screen. Node cron.js, and you can see we have the information from the cron. So our cron will be running at these times, right, starting from now 10:56. So basically every 2 minutes our cron will be running. So we have converted our cron expression into a human readable format. Let's look at another example, iteration with limited time span. It also returns ES6 compatible iterator when iterator flag is set to true. So within this example we are going to pass some options as well. So I can say var options equals current date, new date object, let's call it Wednesday 26th December 2012, 12:38, 53 seconds UTC. Let's copy this and paste it here and call it as end date. Okay, and we want to end this on 1440, the same day. So 1440 and 00. Okay, and I'm going to set flag iterator to true. Now we are going to pass an expression 22. So our cron runs every 22 minutes. This time we are passing the options, and this is a loop, unlimited loop you can say. So let's start our true, while true, and try catch error console.log error.message. Okay, and within the try block I'm going to set var object equals interval.next console.log value colon obj.value.toString done obj.done. So basically we need a parent try block. Let me comment this code and I'm going to type here simple expression example below. So when you download this code from my GitHub repository, you know what is pointing to different things. Okay, so we have a try block, then we have the interval parser, and copy from here, and it runs every 22 minutes, and we have the options. Okay, the second thing, we are going to use a while loop. Within the while loop we are again using try block, and within try block we are just going to catch error object and break the loop. Okay, okay, I think we are good to go. Save the file, go to console and run node cron.js again, and you see we have different timings. It displays when this cron will be running. So 5:44, 6 o'clock, so every 22 minutes this cron will be running between on that particular day, that is Wednesday 26th December 2012. We are now in 2021, so let's change it to 2021. Okay, let's run the example again, and it displays 2021, which is Sunday, and it displays the timings as well. The last example we are going to look is the time zone support. The cron-parser library also supports time zone options, so we can mention time zone here by TZ Europe Athens. As you might have seen that my standard time is Pakistan Standard Time, it is GMT plus 5, but let's say my server is in Europe, in Greece, Athens, and I want to set the time zone to Europe, Athens, and I just added this flag here, TZ Europe, Athens. Let's save this file and run my program again, and displays the same things, but parse expression options, DST transition. Okay, we have given UTC. I think we need to get rid of UTC in order to see the Athens. Okay, the timings have changed. As you can see, now it says 12:44, 1 o'clock, which is Athens times, and it is not GMT plus 5. And if I change it back to my own time zone, let's see what it does. Need to add UTC, and it gives my standard Pakistan time starting from 5:44 and onward. So you have multiple options as well. For more information, you can just visit the module library page, and you can see the usage that we have seen already, and you can see the options that are available. You can see here time zone string. It won't be used in case UTC is enabled. So when UTC is enabled, you will get your current standard time. I hope that you like this video. If you like this video, don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Feel free to contact me at umahmood@gmail.com. Visit my LinkedIn profile or my Twitter handle. See you next time with a new topic in Node.js.